Lazy is a verdict, and a study last month caught the verdict being wrong on camera. People who slept 90 minutes less a night did not eat more. Their fullness hormone actually rose. What changed was movement. 17 more minutes of sitting a day, and not one of them chose it. That is what tired looks like from the outside. It looks like lazy. Five things you have been calling laziness and what your body is actually doing instead. The five reframe. Number one, I'm just lazy. Here is that study properly. 95 adults randomized 6 weeks of their normal sleep and then 6 weeks with another 90 minutes of less sleep a night. On short sleep, they gain weight and they gain waste. And the researcher went looking for the crime and they could not find it. They were not eating measurably more. Leptin, their fullness signal, went up. What changed was quieter, about 17 minutes of sitting per day. Their body underslept turned its own dial down. Nobody decided anything. So the woman who cannot get off the sofa after a short night is not weak. She is washing her body, defense, and energy budget she never agreed to. So rename it not lazy, underslept, and downregulated. Number two, I have no willpower. By 9 in the morning, you have already answered 30 demands. Whose socks? Which form? What dinner? Whose appointment? Then at 5 p.m., you face the workout decision and there is nothing left. And you call that nothing a character flaw. Watch where your decision go before noon. Willpower did not fail to show up. It was spent upstream on people you love. A plan that needs your best decision at your emptiest hour is a badly scheduled plan. So rename it, not weak-willed. Pre-spend. Number three, I always give up. You did not fail the plan. The plan was built for a different day than the one you are living. Most health plans are written for your best day. Full night's sleep, no sick child, no deadline. And the real day arrives. Then the plan collapses. And you feel the collapse under, I always give up. But a plan that only works when your life is peaceful is not a health plan. Health that only works when life is calm is not a real health. Rename it. You did not quit. You ran a fair weather plan in a real weather. Number four, I didn't want it enough. Wanting is not the bottleneck. Distant is. What is actually in your kitchen at 9 p.m. decide more than your motivation does. Availability research is boringly consistent on this. What is close gets eaten. What is far gets skipped. If the healthier option costs 3 extra steps every single time, you are not battling desire. You are paying a tax. So rename it, not unmotivated, taxed by the environment. And move one thing tonight, the good option, to the front at aisle height. That is not a diet, that is a tax cut. Number five, I'm just not disciplined. And this is the one underneath the other four. Discipline is real, yes, but it only works at one layer of you, the layer that makes choice. It cannot refill sleep. It cannot lower the demand of the people you care for. It cannot restock the kitchen or steady a swinging hormone. So when the deficit lives in one of those layers, discipline is spent at the wrong address. It is like scrubbing the floor while the tap is still running. Consistency is not something you do. It is something your body produces when there is enough left over. So rename it, not undisciplined, out of capacity. And capacity, unlike character, can be rebuilt. Here is today's one thing, and it is genuinely small. Take the word you use most against yourself: lazy, weak, undisciplined. Whatever your word is, write it down, cross it out, and next to it, write the real name from this video: underslept, pre-spent, fair weather planned, taxed, out of capacity. That is it. You are not fixing anything today. You are correcting a diagnosis, because you cannot fix a problem you have misnamed. And you have been trying to fix lazy for years. It was never the problem. Blame is a verdict about who you are. Responsibility is a decision about what to do next. They feel similar, but they are opposite. Blame looks backwards and ends the conversation. I'm lazy, case closed. But responsibilities, on the other hand, responsibility looks forward and open one. I'm out of capacity. So what refill it? You do not own anyone the verdict. You own yourself the decision. And only one of those two is any use to you on a Tuesday. Comment question: what is your word? And what is the real name now?